In this video, we will learn how to duplicate a workflow so that we can have an exact copy that we can work from. Here we have an already existing workflow we've created. Quite simply, you go up to the top right-hand side where you see the three dots, dot, dot, dot. You click on that, and in the context menu, there is an option at the top to duplicate. We click on duplicate, and it asks us to name this new version of the workflow. And we can name it whatever we like. Duplicated workflow. Click the duplicate button. It'll make a copy of that and it will load it up so that we can continue editing this new version. And so now you can see up the top, it says duplicated workflow. This is an exact replica and we can continue on. This can be a good way of creating a variation of a workflow that you know already works well so that you don't go and ruin the one that already exists. You can leave that alone and you can conduct your experiments in here and delete it or whatever you like. So now you have duplicated a workflow.